We're playing Kabuto Sumo, which is a very sweet little dexterity game. We're celebrating springtime in Japan. We are various different types of beetles that would like to battle for dominance on this log.
I'm the Japanese rhino beetle.
I am Sisyphus, the dung beetle.
I've got a line to push you off.
Let's see how much damage I can do.
I need to go on the defensive.
I'm hoping for some collateral damage.
Definitely have to be careful.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
These bits are like kind of the special ability bits.
In the jungle. Oh my
Oh.
god. No!
Dang.
Oh!
Oh